हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं आपका मोटिवेशन एंड एजुकेशन कोच डॉक्टर दीपक गुप्ता। जनरल मैथमेटिक्स के सेशन में हम कुछ बात करेंगे। टॉपिक आप खुद डिराइव कीजिएगा। लेट अस राइट अ वेरी सिंपल इक्वेशन x plus y equal to z. What can be the possible solutions for that? Simple. 1 plus 2, somebody can say 3. There can be many as 5 plus 2, 7. N number of solutions can be possible for this x plus y plus equal to z. Now, let us write another equation. X square plus y square equal to z square. What can be the possible solutions? One simple is 3, 4, 5, 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square, 69 plus 16 equal to 25. Is it true? Yes. There can be many more. There can be probably 6 square plus 8 square, maybe 10 square, that is 36 plus 64 equal to 100. So, there can be many more solutions for x square plus y square equal to z square. Does it remind something? Yes, it reminds us about the famous Pythagoras Theorem, where x, y and z are the three sides of a right angle triangle. It is not for any triangles. So, probably it can be x, it can be y and this can be z. Is it valid for many other triangles or some fixed triangles? Let us see. Is it valid for this? It is valid for this. X, y and z. X, y and z. So, is it valid for any right angle triangle? That's what we are going to discuss today. Is Pythagoras theorem valid for every type of right angle triangle? So, answer is yes, you know that, but we are going to little discuss about the theorem. So, for example, any number of x, any value of y. So, let us, I draw a random line, any random line, and I divide this line any point. This point could have been here, this point can be here, but I draw any random line of any length and I choose into two segments x and y. I repeat, this point could have been here, means for any value of x, for any value of y, we are going to prove the Pythagoras theorem. So, we complete this square. We choose the same length x and y roughly. This is x and this is y. Let us draw okay. So, this is one right angle triangle, this is z, this is another right angle triangle, this is z, this is another right angle triangle, this is z, this is another right angle triangle and this is z. Now, area of bigger square, this bigger square means this bigger square, how much? You can very well x plus y equal to whole square, because this side is x plus y, this side is x plus y, side into side x plus y whole square. This area of bigger square, can I say area of small square? This is the area of small square plus 4 area of triangles, means now this whole is this square plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that is area of small square plus area of this 4 triangles, that is area equal to area. What is the area of small square? It is z into z, again z square, and what is this 4? There are 4 triangles. What is the formula of 4 triangle? We know half base into height. This is base and this is height. This could have. Now, x plus y whole square. We know this a square plus b square plus 2ab. We are using the identity. This is z square. This is 2 and 2 goes and become 2xy. So 2xy and 2xy goes, and here comes our famous Pythagoras theorem. So what we did, we choose a line of any length, we divide it into two sections, x and y, random sections, and for that value of x and y, we proved our famous Pythagoras theorem. Very surprisingly, I was going through some video of my seniors, and I found that there are more than 300 methods of proving Pythagoras theorem. So you design something for your school so you can geometrically present in some project form. Thank you for the day.